Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we are going to reflect on one of the most exciting and rapidly growing fields of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. We'll learn what AI really means, how it impacts our daily lives, and explore its three key realms: computer vision, data statistics, and natural language processing, often called NLP. By the end of this session, you'll realize that AI is not just a futuristic idea, it's something all of us are already interacting with every single day. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the ability of a computer or a machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing patterns, understanding speech, making decisions, or even learning from past experiences. Think of AI as giving a machine the power to think and learn. It's what allows your phone to recognize your face or your email app to detect spam automatically. Let's look at how AI touches our everyday life. When you ask Siri a question or tell Alexa to play a song, that's AI understanding natural language. When Netflix suggests a show you might like, that's AI analyzing data about your preferences. When your phone unlocks by scanning your face, that's AI in action through computer vision. So you see, AI is not limited to research labs anymore. It's a part of our daily routine. Artificial intelligence can be thought of as having three main realms or domains. The first is computer vision, which helps machines see and interpret images or videos. The second is data statistics, which involves analyzing and learning from data. And the third is natural language processing, which allows computers to understand and respond to human language. Let's explore each of these one by one. The first realm, computer vision, is about teaching machines to understand visual information like images or videos. For example, when Facebook automatically tags your friends in a photo, that's computer vision. When a self-driving car detects a pedestrian or a traffic signal, that's computer vision too. Even in healthcare, doctors use AI-powered imaging systems to detect diseases like cancer from X-rays or MRIs. Essentially, it allows machines to see the world around them. The second realm is data statistics, or as we often call it, machine learning. Here, computers learn from patterns in data. For instance, weather prediction models analyze huge sets of data, like temperature and humidity, to forecast rainfall. Similarly, banks use AI to detect suspicious transactions and prevent fraud. In simple terms, the more data the machine analyzes, the smarter it becomes. The third realm is natural language processing, often abbreviated as NLP. It's what allows computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human speech or text. Examples include Google Translate, chatbots that answer your questions, or tools that analyze customer feedback to understand emotions. NLP bridges the communication gap between humans and machines, allowing us to talk to technology in our own language. These realms are not isolated. In real-world applications, they often work together. For instance, a self-driving car uses computer vision to see the road, data analysis to make decisions, and sometimes NLP to communicate with passengers. Similarly, virtual assistants use NLP to understand speech and data analytics to improve their responses. The combination of these fields is what makes AI so powerful. While AI offers tremendous benefits, it also raises important questions. How do we ensure privacy? When machines collect data about us, how do we make sure AI decisions are fair and not biased? As future citizens, it's our responsibility to reflect on these challenges and promote the ethical use of AI. Remember, AI should enhance human life, not replace humanity. Slide 10. To summarize, AI is no longer just science fiction, it's the present and the future. It powers the systems we use every day and helps us solve complex problems faster and smarter. Understanding AI and its realms gives you the power to not just use technology, but to create it responsibly. So, reflect on how AI touches your life and imagine how you can use it for good. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.